Hello guys, my name is Ganga Sagar Prajapati. Now I'm going to show you how to configure RDWeb in Server 2019. Okay, now here is my Windows Server 2019. Okay, 2019, and I have configured this server as a primary domain controller. Now here you can see now grcjsa.com is my domain name, and this is a previous lookup I have created earlier. Okay, now the topic is to configure 2012 Windows Server 2012 as a RDWeb server. Okay, this server acts as a session host, broker, and virtualization host, everything else. So let's go ahead and configure Windows Server 2012 as a RDWeb server, I'm I'm going to show you how to retrieve the SSL for RD gateway. RDWeb gateway. Okay. Now let's move to configure the server. Okay. Add role and feature. Just click on next. Now here we have two options: role based, feature based installation, or a remote desktop services installation. Okay. So now we have to select remote desktop services installation. Okay. Click on next. Now we have to select standard deployment. You can choose kickstart also, but now I'm just select standard deployment. Okay, now next virtual machine based. Now here I'm configure the server as a session based desktop memory, because we don't have too much resources to configure the virtual machine based. Okay, so now here I'm just selecting the session based deployment. Okay, now this following remote desktop role services will be installed and configured in this deployment. Okay, now these three rules will be installed in the server. Okay, now just click on next. Just select the server put. If you have multiple servers, you can select the session broker, one of the server. Okay, now here is the in this tutorial we have only one server. Okay, I am selecting this 0.15 server and click on next. Okay. It will take some time because I'm just running this Windows Server 2020 or 2019 in virtual box with 2 GB RAM and 50 GB hard disk. So it will take some time to configure this server. Okay. So I'm just pause this video. Now session broker is installed. Now select the server from server. Okay, RDWeb server. Okay, just go to select RDWeb server. Just go to click on this server. So RDWeb server. Okay, click on this. Click on next. Just select this host server, which is going to host all the web applications. That means programs. Click on next. Now it is installing. Now it will take some time. Okay. For now it is installing the session host server. So we move forward to create a record. Okay, this is my C panel. I have just created one a record and point to my public IP, static IP address. Okay, this is my own public static IP address. Okay, and I have just forward create a record in DNS zone and point to this location. Okay, and now this is my the route. This is my router, and I have just forward to 80. Okay, HTTP and HTTPS. I have created to port forwarding. You can say port forwarding or virtual server port forwarding. Okay, this will help us to uh, retrieve, or you can say to get SSL certificate from that Encrypt server. Okay, now okay, RD session progress server 1 RDWeb access session. Okay, okay, let's do check on start the destination server, remove the record. Okay, and deploy. Okay, this will take some time, and after this installation it will reboot automatically, and again the installation will start. Okay, so I'm pausing this video till this is installed. So now services is installing in Windows Server 2012. Now we have to do one thing. Okay, uh, this is the free file. Just I wanted to know go how we can retrieve SSL certificate for IS web server. Okay, so this is the file which we have required to get SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Okay, this is the redistributed files. Okay, if this application is suppose not responding or something, it is giving some error, we have to install this to Visual Basic redistribution. Okay, now simply what we need to do, simply we have to extract the folder. Okay, I'm just extracting and keep it safe. Okay, now so this is still installing. The remaining part I'm doing over here. Okay, and this extraction is done. Okay, just go to this PC and create one folder here called SSL, or whatever name you want you can create, and just creating a folder, just creating a folder called SSL and move all the files inside the folder to just copy and paste into C drive. Okay, SSL folder. Paste. Now we have done 50%. This will help you in the corporate environment if you want to set up uh, to user can access the services, user can access the application from home itself. Okay, just closing all this tab. Now this is still installing. Now I'm just pausing this video. Now after reboot, it is showing this error. Okay, remote desktop service does not exist in the server to create deployment to run dual and feature video to select remote desktop service installation option. Okay, so you see here Now I've just cancelled this wizard, and now when if you see this type of error, now simply you have to go to manage and remove role and feature and click on next, and session role based installation, go to next. It will automatically detect RD connection broker. Okay, now it will take some time. Okay, now it is automatically detected session broker. Okay, click on next. Okay, now click session based desktop environment, click on next. Now connection from web access and session host. Okay, click on next, click on next. Okay, it might be take some time. Okay, RDWeb. Okay, select the host RD session host. Okay, click on next. Okay, it will take some time, and just pause this video. This option will come. Select static deploy and deploy. So it will take some time. So I am pausing this video. Now all things are done. Just close. Just I'm refreshing this dashboard. Click on service. Okay, now here we go. Now you can see here we have RDWeb access. Okay, now RDWeb gateway and RD license, RD connection broker. Okay, now first we have to configure RDWeb access. Okay, so just now it is refreshing. Just wait. Okay, now configure RDWeb access. Okay, now just click and add RDWeb access. Now we have already. Okay, now we have to just click on RD gateway. Okay, click on next. Okay, I think so we already done this. Now it is asking for a selection, just pressing the same. Now here we have to type qualified domain name. So it's rdweb.grcgsi.com. This fully qualified domain name we are going to use to access this RDWeb through internet. So SSL certificate name will use this rdweb.grcgsi.com. So we'll uh, obtain SS certificate from SS Let's Encrypt server. So we are going to use this as a certificate name. Okay, click on next. Just start the gateway server this and the fully qualified domain name this. Okay, now it is installing. So after this you have to go to IS manager. Okay, and expand this server. Okay, go to this site name. Okay, go to default website and here we have RDWeb. Okay, now we are going to bind this default website to RDWeb. Okay, we are going to use the www or we can directly type rdweb.grcgsi.com. Okay, here we go. Now we can remove this entry. Okay, we can edit this as well. So this is going to be no, sorry, this is going to be same .grcgsi.com. Okay, right now I'm not setting any of other certified by default it is selected. Just click on OK. Okay, just close and close as well. Okay, just it. Now it is installing. Okay, so now it is time to get access certificate from Let's Encrypt server. So minimize all these things. Okay, okay. Just open PowerShell or command prompt as run as administrator. type CMD and right click on CMD prompt and run as administrator. Okay, navigate to SSL folder which we have created earlier, and we have moved some files and folders into that. So cd dot dot, okay, cd dot dot cd SSL. Okay, now see, these are all files where we have moved. Okay, to run this execws.exe, what we need to do, dot backslash and type w for the first letter of that exe file, which is w, is tab, and hit tab button. Okay, now click on enter. Now it will revert some value. Let's check it is installing now. Okay, it is currently installing. Okay, you can see this is executing in background. Now this is also happening. This is also installing. Now let's try to open this application into PowerShell. So click on PowerShell and right click on that PowerShell application and run as administrator. And now go to the setting. Okay, here. Now command prompt is working. Okay. See, okay, this is installing. Okay, see now. Sorry. See, now first we have to create a new certificate. Simple from iOS. Just press N. Okay, simple N. Now it will show you the default site if you have multiple website hosting in IIS server, and if you bind with the fully qualified domain name, it will show here. Now which you want to pick up, the just first select to enter. Now it is directly, it is, then I am pressing the enter button, it is choosing the false one. Okay, now it is targeting using the plugin is RDWeb.js. Now we have to provide the email address. So here I am using the personal email ID over here. gmail.com. Okay, now see, now this is a terms and conditions. You have to directly press as. Okay, now it is try to open the PDF file into Edge or okay, now you have to select Y. Okay, okay, and existing connection will close at the remote and host. Okay, and second, the data from connection existing host will close remote host. Okay, okay, now try with the different option. do the same thing in PowerShell. Let's see whether it install or not. Okay, so this is still installing. Okay. Now here we are going to use M option for full installation. Okay. Now I'm going to use IIS. This one. Okay. Now it is doing okay. RDWeb. Okay. Choose first one. Okay. Now pick up binding. Okay. Pick up binding. Okay. Now here I'm going to use 4 for all. Okay. Now continue selection Y. Okay. Now suggestion in a host. Medieval management friend. Space interface. Okay. Enter. Now here it is showing save verification file. Okay. So verification file from memory. Okay. Now here I'm going to use two options. Okay. RSA erase quality. Now you have to use two. Now here we have select Windows certificate store or IIS Center certificate store. Okay, PFX. So we are here the option is showing 3, so then we have to press 3. Okay. So no, so just press 3. Okay. Create update HTTP binding with okay. Select first one. Okay. Do different circumcision. Why? Choose the news and no. Just press enter. Control. Just press 1. Third one, press third. Just check whether it is installed or not. Open IIS Manager. Open the site. Okay. Just check certificate. Bind. Okay, now it is automatically selected here. Okay. Check over here. Okay. I think so it is working. Okay. I'm just closing this window. Okay. Now check whether it is working or not. I'm starting here. https://rdweb dot com. Press enter. Okay. Just close all these things, and here we click on RD licensing and select RD licensing server. Okay. Okay. and check. Okay, just check why it is saying invalid. It's a 5-4, okay. Then it is RDWeb.jetuser.com. It's a 5445. Given to the 11/3/2020. Okay. Let's try with this one. Let's check RDWeb. I think so this is the default URL. Okay. Just having this close and open in incognito mode. Just pasting the value. Let's do this one. Okay. Okay. Still it is showing not secure. Okay. So try once again. Now remove this into this IP address. Send this and this. Just view this SSL certificate file. It will not return. Okay. क्या चार्जिंग कितना है? Okay. Okay. Now we have done all these things. Now we have to publish an application. Okay, here. Now I'm trying to log in with grcgsi.com administrator, and the password is showing blank. See, I'm not yet published any application through RDWeb. So now we have to configure. Now we have to publish this app. Okay. This is our customers. Now we have to add create session collection. Next. Here I'm just giving name as IT. Okay, who will be this server where application going to be hosted. Now all domain users can access RDO. Okay, if you want to provide a specific group who want to access, you have to just remove this main user and you can directly add those groups. Here I am just putting the domain user. Enable prefix no net, just check and okay. Here to create a new certificate. See here now we have successfully obtained SL certificate from Let's Encrypt. Okay, here now this is the step I have followed. Okay, you see. Now let's check. Okay, next RDWeb. Okay, Control C, press enter. Okay, okay. Let's go to IS server. No, I don't install this. Okay, yes. Yes, so in fact you can I say doesn't find this and there you go. Okay. Okay. Now this SSL certificate, okay? Okay. Now check. Yo. Now we have got the one SSL certificate which is valid for 3 months. Okay. So here the issue with the relationship authority. Okay, now you can see here we have the one we have created one session. So, collection area. Okay, just close. Now it's time to deploy application. So here I'm going to show you the notepad, which is the basic application. So go to IP collection, and here you can see a remote program. Okay, just please wait the host servers are updated. Okay, in the bottom the host server is updating now. Yes, okay. We have to wait till these host servers get ready. Okay, IP collection. Okay, now this is done. Now click on publish app. Okay, here the list of application we can publish, or you can install the application. You can navigate those paths and you can directly select those exe file. Okay, now here I'm just selecting MS Paint and next and publish. see. Now I'm just taking this out. Okay. Mm, this one out. Mm, you can see here we have deploy. Still this is publishing this application. Maybe it will take some time because I'm running this or running the virtual machine with the low configuration, so it may take some time. Okay. Now see. I think so. For this done. Now you can see your MS Paint is done. So just try to open MS Paint. Okay. Okay. Now see the gateway server, remote server name, MS Paint. I'm going to use the publisher is unknown. Okay, just click on connect. It will ask for the ID and password. Just enter domain name slash and the ID. Just enter here is the password. You can see how many users are connected in with this server. Okay, starting. It will take some time. It will depend upon the bandwidth and the server configuration and all. It will take some time. So wait. It is saying it is connected with this station also. I think so. I'm just clicking twice on that shortcut. Okay. Now we are trying to remove the connection. See, now we have opened MS Paint from RDWeb server. So let's try to make one JPG image. So this file is going to stay on the server. Okay. it is not going to save in local drive. So if you see here, okay, so you can save here on desktop. Notice here. You can see in the server. So here is the file. Okay, so I'm just logging the administrator. So it is showing over here. It's another domain user login with the RDWeb server. It will create the profile into C drive in user folder with the username. Okay, so thank you for watching. This is the RDWeb server. We have configured full functional RDWeb server in 2019. We have faced lot of issue while obtaining SSL certificate from Let's Encrypt. So in this video, you have seen I have done many of changes in IL server. Okay, and in the role installation of role services as well. Okay, now after we have done all these things, now my server is running smoothly with SSL certificate. Okay, so if in your organization, if a user want to access your application or data from outside, so they can access directly through this RDWeb services. Okay, so if in this RDWeb services, Microsoft suggests you to purchase the RD session based, I think so RD with cal RD something like that. So you have to purchase those cal number of users. If you have a number of users in organization, you can purchase according to the number of users, or you can purchase according to the machines, physical machines. Okay, so in RDWeb you have to purchase the RD session based cal. You can purchase from server, or you can directly configure into you can configure those licenses into RDWeb server. So if you purchase 40 number of session based cal, you can access 40 users at the same time with the server. Okay, so thank you for watching. If you have any issue related RDWeb, so you can directly contact with me. Okay, thank you for watching.